We're trying something new this morning, as you can plainly see. But it's coming along so far. We have some potential here. So today, as long as we can get everything working the way it is supposed to, our plan is to go over the integration of RealSatisfied Reviews. So what we're going to do here is anybody who has a review set up through RealSatisfied can now integrate them with the DeltaNet so that they will automatically pull in and work with your DeltaNet review system. It'll read them in and store them in such a way that they'll actually show up intermingled with your regular DeltaNet reviews. So, without further ado, let's go into the DeltaNet. There we are. So, in the DeltaNet, here we are on your standard welcome page here. And from the welcome page, to integrate your RealSatisfied Reviews, we'll go down to Marketing, and then click on Reviews, and that gets you into the reviews system. From here, you can add new reviews, you can approve or deny reviews, all that stuff works the way it's supposed to. And when you get a new review, it'll show up here under Needs Reviewed. You approve or deny it. If you approve it, it'll show up under your Approved Reviews section and show up on your website. If you deny it, it'll show up under Disapproved, and you can go back and change those or approve them later on if you want, or if you talk to the customer and they want to change the review, anything like that. So to add your RealSatisfied Reviews, you want to go over here to Settings. And then on your settings page, there are various things you can do with this, but you have your header section, so you can customize the header of your reviews page, or if we scroll down, you can determine whether or not your review submission form will show up on the public side of your reviews page. So this is whether or not customers can submit reviews on your page. And then as we scroll down here, you can choose whether or not the star rating system appears on that page. You can even choose the color of the stars that show up there. And as we scroll down here, you can see where you can enter your RealSatisfied vanity key. So what this is the last part of the URL on your RealSatisfied page. So if you go to RealSatisfied and you go to your profile page there, you take just the last part of that URL, paste it into this field, and change Show RealSatisfied Reviews to Yes, and click on Save Settings, and that'll make the system automatically pull in your RealSatisfied reviews. One thing to keep in mind there is that it won't pull them all in instantly. It'll take some time, but we basically check for new reviews several times a day, and then after that it will jump back over and start pulling them in. If you add any new reviews in the meantime, the next time we pull, it'll add them into the system. So it's not going to do it instantaneously, but for customer reviews, it does it frequently enough that it should work out pretty well. Now to get your RealSatisfied vanity key, I actually have a page open here, just an example page. So we can see in the address bar that the URL of this page is realsatisfied.com/ and this is Becky Wicks. This is her vanity key. So whatever's after the slash in realsatisfied.com, which is usually just first name dash last name like this, you would copy that and then go into your settings and paste it there. And that would take the reviews from that account and drop them onto your page. There you go. That is all there is to it. We had a nice quick one today, which is good because you can see we're falling apart with technical issues this morning. But hey, you live and you learn. So, as always, thanks a lot for joining me this week. We'll have a new video for you next week. And if there's anything you need, feel free to comment on this video or send an email to support@deltagroup.com or give us a call and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. So, thanks a lot for joining me and I will see you next week.